All right, hello, welcome to this video. We're going to talk about something happened on the railroad this morning, and it's a good thing I didn't try to get to the Pine Barrens because we had a problem on the Ronkonkoma branch. Service was suspended in the morning, around 8 in the morning, on the Ronkonkoma branch due to a vehicle on the tracks near the Deer Park train station. Gee, didn't this happen before? Yes, it did happen before. They suspended service, no shuttle buses. Once again, can never count on the main line. Truck stuck on the tracks, Deer Park. Yep, it happened again. Why do we have to go back to Ronkonkoma if you're going west? Stay on the Babylon line, seriously. Exactly. Just go to the South Shore because the middle of the island is worthless at this point. 737, train from Penn due to Ronkonkoma, canceled upon arrival at Farmingdale. So they left everybody stranded. No buses. And then they said buses are being ordered but not on the scene. And then 737 canceled. 740 from Ronkonkoma due to Atlantic, canceled. 814 from Penn due to Ronkonkoma, canceled upon arrival at Farmingdale. Buses are in the process of being ordered but not on scene. And they said that they were getting buses. We'll see. But then they wound up restoring service following the removal of the large truck on the Ronkonkoma line. 737 from Penn to Ronkonkoma has been reinstated and is 27 minutes late. The 8:23 a.m. from Farmingdale due to Penn, 22 minutes late through Mineola following the removal of the truck. 8:31 Ronkonkoma due to Penn, 19 minutes late. So that's what happened, and then it was restored to operating on schedule. And then there was a problem on the Babylon line as well. We had a service suspension on the Atlantic branch too, switch trouble. There was a very brief problem on the Babylon line. Some Babylon branch trains, there was police activity in Seaford. It ended almost instantaneously because, after all, only the best for the South Shore. Guess where Kathy Hochul was? In Belmore. Baldwin. She was in Baldwin, which is a town that they are going to try to actually turn around on the South Shore. And it probably will turn around because it's the South Shore, and that's where everybody wants to be. Where this is the middle of the island. This looks like they're passing by a station on the South Shore. So, again, it's all about the South Shore. And if you're not on the South Shore, then you don't count. You don't count. So that's pretty much what I have for you on the Long Island Railroad today.